So this is the Prospective Goal Calculator. The purpose of the Prospective Goal Calculator is just to see what goals you need to hit every month in order to hit your financial threshold for the firm. So how does this work? So this is very flexible. It doesn't matter what database you're using. So the first thing you need to do is figure out the number of engagements that you need every 30 days. So let's say you need 37 every month to make financial goal. The next thing you do is you look at your past 30 days. How many initial contacts did you have? How many people called your office? Whether you took them, you declined them, you did a non-representation, anything. If they called about a service, how many of those did you have in the last 30 days? So let's say you had 56. Now, if you do workshops, you can click this little button and it'll let you put in the number of workshop attendees. So let's say you had 15 workshop attendees in the last 30 days. If you didn't have any, just untick it. How many consultations did you do in the last 30 days? Let's say you did 29. How many engagement agreements did you send? Maybe you sent 17. And how many were signed? Maybe 12. So now on the right, you can see here, this is the goal you need because it figured out your conversions. This is how many you need in order to meet goal every month based on your last 30 days. So you can do this in another 30 days or another 15 days, and you can keep updating this and you can get your new goals. So you need 173 initial contacts based on your conversions that you put in. You need 47 workshop attendees, 90 consultations, 53 agreements to send, and 37 agreements signed. Now, let's say your numbers change a little bit. Let's say you have 56 initial contacts and you have 39 seminar attendees and you have 42 consultations and you sent 35 engagement agreements and you had 27 signed. Your numbers change dramatically because your conversions are much better from your initial contact 56 to signed engagement agreements. So here you only need 77 initial contacts, 54 workshop attendees, 58 consultations, 48 engagement agreements. Let's say you actually only need 15 engagement agreements. It's going to adjust all of your numbers to hit that 15 engagement agreements. So anything over that would just be extra engagement agreements. And then this also has instructions for use. So everything I just explained is right here telling you step by step how to read it and how to use it to ensure that you have all the proper numbers and the correct goals. And then you can click here and it'll go back. So that's how you use the Prospective Goal Calculator, and that's how you meet your goal every single month. Using these numbers, then you can work with your marketing department to see what you need to do to get your initial contacts up. Maybe they're calling for the wrong types of services. How do you adjust your marketing? How do you get your seminar attendee numbers up? Maybe that's talking to your client services to offer it more to get that up, because a conversion rate from seminar attendee to engagement is always going to be higher than just calling and going straight to a consultation. So you can use this to really target how you're marketing and how your client services are working with the potential clients on the phone.